Welcome back to Easy English. Today we have a beautiful conversation for you. Two friends, Mia and Tom, spend a perfect afternoon on a hill. They talk about nature, food, memories, and life. The English is simple and clear, perfect for beginner learners. So find a comfortable spot, take a deep breath, and enjoy the conversation. Let's go.
Tom, I am so happy we came here today. Look at this place.
Yes, it is so beautiful. I love it here already.
I found this place last week. I came alone, but today is better.
Why is today better?
Because you are here. It is better with a friend.
That is very sweet, Mia. Thank you.
Look at the river, Tom. Is it beautiful?
Yes, the water is so blue and clear. I love it.
I can hear it from here. Listen.
Yes, I can hear it. It is a very soft sound.
It makes me feel calm, like everything is okay.
Me too. The sound of water is very relaxing.
I read that water sounds are good for the brain.
Really? That is interesting. Maybe that is why I feel so good.
Yes, the river is helping your brain, Tom.
My brain needs a lot of help.
You are funny. Okay, look at the flowers now.
Oh wow, there are so many. Red, yellow, blue, white.
I love the red ones. They are my favorite.
I love the blue ones. Blue is my favorite color.
I know, you always wear blue clothes.
Yes. Today, too, my shirt is blue.
I see that. Very nice. The blue shirt and the blue flowers match.
Thank you. I am very fashionable today.
The yellow flowers are so bright, like little suns.
Yes, they make me happy. Bright colors make me happy.
Me too. In winter, there are no flowers. I feel sad.
Yes, winter is hard. Everything is gray and cold.
But then spring comes and the flowers come back.
Yes, spring is my favorite season. Everything is new and green.
Mine too. I feel like a new person in spring.
Me too. Like the world starts again.
That is a beautiful idea. The world starts again.
Look at the grass, Mia. It is so green and soft.
Yes, touch it. It feels amazing.
Oh, you are right. It is so soft, like a carpet.
I want to take my shoes off and walk on it.
Do it. I will do it too.
Really? Okay, let's do it together.
Oh, that feels so good. The grass is cool and soft.
Yes, I love this feeling. It is so natural.
In the city, we always wear shoes. We never touch the earth.
That is sad. We forget about nature.
Yes, we need to come outside more. It is good for us.
I agree. Every week. No phones, no work, just nature.
That is a perfect plan. I want that.
Me too. Okay, look at the sky now. It is so blue.
Yes, there are no clouds today. Wait, there are some clouds.
Yes, big and white. Tom, that cloud looks like a dog. Do you see it?
Where? Oh, yes. It looks like a big dog.
And that one looks like a fish.
A fish in the sky. That is funny.
When I was a child, I did this every day.
Me too. I sat in the garden with my sister.
You have a sister? I did not know that.
Yes, her name is Lisa. She is younger than me.
That is nice. I'm an only child. I was always alone.
Oh, that must be quiet at home.
Yes, but I had good friends. Friends are like family.
I agree. You are like family to me, Mia.
That is so sweet, Tom. You are like family to me too.
Okay, I see more clouds now. That one looks like a car.
A car. Yes, an old car.
The sky is like a movie today, always changing.
Yes, every minute a new picture. I love it.
Look at the mountains, Mia. They are so big.
Yes, and so green. I love green mountains.
I want to climb one day, a real mountain.
That is hard work. Are you ready for that?
Maybe not now, but one day. It is my dream.
I like that dream. I want to climb too. We can go together.
Yes, you and me on a big mountain with a lot of food.
Yes, very important. A lot of food.
And good shoes. Not like now. No shoes on the grass.
Yes, different shoes for the mountain.
Look at the trees near the river. They are so tall.
Yes, old and tall. They were here for many, many years.
I love old trees. They have many stories.
Yes, these trees saw many people come and go.
Many lovers, many friends, many families.
That is a beautiful thought. We are part of the story now.
Yes, today we are in the story of this hill.
I like that. We are in the story.
Can you see the village, Mia? The small houses?
Yes, over there. Small and cute, red and yellow roofs.
I love small villages. They look so peaceful.
Yes, no noise, no traffic, no stress.
I want to live in a small village one day.
Really? But you love the city.
I love the city now, but when I am old, I want quiet.
I understand. When I am old, I want a small house near a river.
Like those houses. Look, that is your future home.
Yes, the yellow one. That is my house.
And I will live next door, in the red one.
Perfect. We will be neighbors when we are old.
Yes, I will come to your house every morning for coffee.
Every morning? That is a lot of coffee, Tom.
I love coffee, you know that.
I know. You drink 4 cups every day.
Only 3. Well, sometimes 4.
Okay, 3 or 4. Too much.
Coffee is my best friend. After you, of course.
Good answer. Coffee is number 2.
Mia, I am getting a little hungry. Do you have food?
Yes, I have sandwiches, fruit, and some cake.
Cake? You brought cake? You are amazing.
Thank you. It is chocolate cake. I made it this morning.
You made it? Wow. You are a great cook.
I love to cook. It makes me happy.
Me too. Cooking is relaxing, like being in nature.
Yes, both are good for the heart.
Here, your sandwich. And some water.
Thank you. This is perfect. Eating outside is the best.
Yes, everything tastes better outside.
The sandwich is delicious. What is inside?
Cheese and tomato. Simple, but good.
Simple is always good. I agree. Can I have the cake now?
Tom, eat your sandwich first.
Okay. Sandwich first, then cake.
Good boy.
You sound like my mother.
Sorry, but eat your sandwich.
Yes, it is very good. Thank you, Mia.
You are welcome. Friends share food. That is a rule.
A very good rule. I like that rule.
Listen, Tom. The birds are singing again.
Yes, I hear them. What kind of birds are they?
I don't know. Small ones. In the trees near the river.
They're very happy today, like us.
Yes, happy birds and happy people.
I want to learn about birds one day. Their names.
That is a good hobby. My grandfather knew all the birds.
Really? That is amazing. Did he teach you?
A little. He showed me books with pictures. I loved that.
You miss him?
Yes, very much. He loved nature, like me.
He sounds like a wonderful person.
He was. He always said, "Go outside, Mia. The world is beautiful."
He was right. The world is very beautiful.
Yes. Days like today, I think of him and I smile.
That is a beautiful way to remember someone.
Thank you. Okay, now can Tom have his cake?
Yes, please. Finally.
Here you go, a big piece for my hungry friend.
Oh, wow. This looks amazing. You made this?
Yes, this morning. I woke up early.
You woke up early to make cake for me.
For us, for our day on the hill.
Mia, you are the best friend in the world.
I know. Now eat the cake.
Oh, this is incredible. This is the best cake I ever ate.
Really? You are not just saying that.
No, I'm serious. This is amazing. What is in it?
Chocolate, butter, sugar, eggs, and a little coffee.
Coffee in the cake. That is why it is so good.
Coffee makes everything better, even cake.
You are right. Coffee is magic.
Okay, Tom. Now look, the sun is moving.
Yes, it is afternoon now. The light is different.
I love afternoon light. It is soft and warm.
Yes, it makes everything look golden.
The river looks golden now, and the grass too.
And your hair looks golden, Mia.
Thank you. The sun is my hairdresser.
A very good hairdresser.
Tom, can we stay for the sunset?
Yes, of course. I want to see the sunset here.
It will be so beautiful. Orange and pink and purple.
And then the stars will come out.
Yes, no city lights here. We can see many stars.
I love stars. They make me feel small.
Small but connected. We are all under the same stars.
That is a beautiful thing to say.
Thank you. I think about these things sometimes.
Me too. At night, I look at the sky and think.
What do you think about?
Life, people, where we go after this life.
Big questions.
Yes. Do you think about those things?
Yes, I think about what is important, what really matters.
And what do you think matters?
Days like this. Good friends, simple food, fresh air.
I agree. Not money, not big houses, not expensive things.
No, just good moments and good people.
You are a good person, Mia. I am happy to know you.
You too, Tom. You are kind and funny and a good friend.
Kind, funny, and a good friend. I like that. That is enough.
It is more than enough. It is everything.
Look, Mia, the sky is changing color. The sunset is starting.
Oh, it is so beautiful. Look at that orange.
And pink, and a little purple on the left.
I want to take a photo. Wait, no. No phone today.
Good. No phone, just our eyes.
Yes, our eyes and our hearts. That is enough.
This moment is perfect. I will remember it always.
Me too. This is one of the best days of my life.
Really? One of the best?
Yes. Simple, quiet, and happy, with a good friend. That is the best.
I agree. No big party, no loud music, just this.
Just this. The river, the flowers, the sky, the cake.
Don't forget the cake.
Never. The cake was very important today.
The most important part.
Okay, now look. The first star.
Where? Oh yes, I see it. One small star.
Make a wish, Tom.
A wish? Okay. I have my wish.
Tell me.
No, a wish is a secret. If you tell, it does not come true.
Okay. I have my wish too.
Good. Our secret wishes under the first star.
I hope they come true.
Me too. Now look, more stars are coming out.
Yes. 1, 2, 3. Many stars now.
The sky is incredible. So many stars.
My grandfather said every star is a light from someone we love.
That is beautiful. I like that idea very much.
Me too. So he's up there, watching us.
And he is happy because you are outside, in nature, like he said.
Yes, he is happy. I feel it.
This hill is a magic place, Mia.
Yes, our magic place. We must come back.
Every Sunday. That is our plan.
Every Sunday, with food and talk and no phones.
And cake. Always cake.
Yes, always cake. That is the most important rule.
Rule number 1, bring cake.
I agree. Okay, Tom, it is getting a little cold now.
Yes, time to go home, but I don't want to.
Me neither. But we will come back next Sunday.
Yes, next Sunday. Same hill, same river, same flowers.
And new clouds, new shapes to find.
Yes, maybe a cloud that looks like a cake.
Perfect. A cake cloud for Tom.
The best cloud. Okay, let's put our shoes back on.
Yes, back to shoes. Back to the real world.
But we carry this feeling with us, this calm, happy feeling.
Yes, we carry it all week. Until next Sunday.
Thank you for today, Mia. It was truly special.
Thank you too, Tom. Now let's go. And next week, you bring the cake.
Deal. But my cake will not be as good as yours.
We will see. Good night, Tom.
Good night, Mia. Sweet dreams.